Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.4 question number 3 part 3. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial. Because you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? Polynomial is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. My words is clear? A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomial. Polynomial are two types. First, term based polynomial. Second, degree based polynomial. Term based polynomial are many, namely constant polynomial. Term based polynomial are many, namely constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Term based polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about degree based polynomial. Degree based polynomial are many, namely linear polynomial, next quadratic polynomial and next cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. We can find the value of k if px and gx are given by two methods. First, remainder theorem and second, factor theorem. It is clear? We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is remainder. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. If gx is given and px is given, how you can find the value of k? Firstly, you find the value of x of gx, then you put it in given polynomial, means in dividend, and then compare it right side and left side. In this way you can find the value of k very easily. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question very easily. It is very easy. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. My words is clear? Do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4. Question 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is factor of px in each of the following cases. Part 3rd, px equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Here it is dividend, means given polynomial. It is given polynomial. It is dividend and x minus 1 is gx, means divisor. It is clear? You find the value of x and then you put it in given polynomial. In this way you can find the value of k. Clear? See the value. Px equal to k x square minus root 2 x plus 1 is given polynomial. Is given polynomial. It is given polynomial. Clear? Gx equal to x minus 1 is divisor. It is divisor. Gx equal to x minus 1 is divisor. Px equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1 is given polynomial, means it is a dividend. Clear? Hence x minus 1 equal to 0. You can write minus 1 on right side of equal. It becomes x equal to 0 plus 1. You can write it here minus 1. When you write it on right side of equal, then minus 1 become plus 1. It is clear? You can write it x equal to 1. You find x equal to 1. It is a 0 of given polynomial. X equal to 1 is 0 of given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it. Now you put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. Clear? Put x equal to 1 and px equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. Clear? Equal to 0. You can write it as p1 equal to k1 square minus root 2 multiply 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to 1. Hence x equal to 1. Clear? X square means 1 square. X means 1. It is clear? No confusion about it. It is very easy. See the word. P1 equal to k multiply 1 multiply 1 2 times. Because here x square means 1 square means 1 multiply 1 2 times. 1 square means 1 multiply 1 2 times. Clear? Minus root 2 multiply 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Clear? Here x means 1 means 1. Clear? It becomes p1 equal to k multiply. Here 1 multiply 1 become 1 minus root 2 multiply 1 plus 1 equal to 0. You can write it p1 equal to k multiply 1 become k minus root 2 multiply 1, it becomes root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. You find p1 equal to k minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. It is clear? You can write 1 on right side plus 1 on right side and minus root 2 on right side of equal. Clear? It becomes p1 equal to k equal to 0 minus 0 plus root 2 minus 1. Here minus root 2 become plus root on right side also. Plus 1 become minus 1 on right side of equal. It is clear? You can write it P1 equal to K equal to root 2 minus 1. You can write K equal to root 2 minus 1. Hence, K equal to root 2 minus 1 is your answer. You find K equal to root 2 minus 1. Very easy. Solution is clear. No confusion about solution. It is very easy. Very good. In this way, you can solve any question and you can find the value of K very easily by the help of this solution. Solution is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. My words is clear. Very good. Okay.